what's up and what's happening to you, blessed and beautiful.
Here today, and I'm bringing to you today one of the coins that has had immense amounts of bud behind it at the moment, and guess what? It's still standing tall and strong, stronger than ever before. And I am very, very excited to show you this video, because this video shows me exactly what I've been saying all along and what I've been expressing in my own charts, etc. for BNB. But I'm going to show you a clean and simple chart for BNB today. So let's go and have a look at what BNB is busy doing, because Binance is the crypto that has been getting smashed with FUD, getting clapped from all political angles, and guess what? Still stands stronger, taller, and more community based than ever before. Binance complies. Binance US is very different to Binance International, and this is what makes Binance very, very special, that it is seemingly an untouchable crypto, but we'll see about that. So I don't want to make such a big, bold claim before I show you a few things, but at the end of the day, we are in a decent place. Binance is a great exchange. It has a lot of volume, and of course, if you guys want to go and trade, my bybit and Binance links are down below there. So please make sure to smash them and get yourselves trading, whether it's on spot, leverage, futures, whatever you want. Please, obviously, if you're trading with leverage, please make sure that you know what you're doing. And I will be doing another video for you. So hit that notification bell. It will be out today. Another video for you that is going to show you exactly a few trades that I will be getting into very soon. And one or two of them I'm probably in already, but I will tell you and talk to you about that in a moment. So smash the thumbs up, because I have a lot of content for you guys, and I really appreciate you as much as you appreciate me too. So let's not waste any time. Binance is ranked number 4. There's its logo, BNB, and BNB is its ticker name as well. $317.46, up 2.5% for the day on 627,000 people's watch lists. Binance's market cap is currently sitting at 50 billion. Wow. Okay. Now, Binance is in my country, in South Africa, is a great exchange. And I still remember that kind of halfway through last year, our banks actually forbid us from buying with our cards on Binance, which was very strange. But then like 2-3 months later, Binance was activated in the country. I mean, this is how ridiculous policies are in specific countries. So ignore the FUD unless it has factual information, okay? And this is what we do in the channel here. So I'm going to share with you and show you that the trading volume has been $657 million in the past 24 hours, guys. That's insane amounts of trading volume. A fully diluted valuation is 63.5 billion. It's got 200 million coins in supply only, okay? And it's got 157 million of those in circulation, which is phenomenal, because that's 75 to 80% already in existence. Okay, so let's go and see Binance in terms of where it's been before. We're pretty much just under where we've been at the all-time highs, which was at $686. We're only down 53% from that, and we're up 798,000% in the past 5 years. If you had invested $100, in fact, here, if you had invested $100, okay, 5 years ago into Binance, plus 798,477% equals, you would have converted $100 of Binance into nearly $800,000 today. 5 years is all you had to do to wait for that. That would have completely changed your life. I wish I had known about Binance at that point, but I didn't. I only got into crypto at the beginning of 2021. So, you know, at the end of the day, I got into the crypto space very, very, not even late. It was late in the season of the cycles of crypto, but at the end of the day, it was actually really, it's a very good time, because I've just been accumulating my bags. I've just been accumulating, guys. So guys, I don't want to waste any more of your time. Let's go and quickly see what the market cap was at that all-time high peak. The market cap was at $110 billion, okay? That's pretty high. I mean, that's 1/5 of what Bitcoin is today, guys. So let's go and see what the chart looks like on Binance, okay? Actually, before I do that, let's go and have a look at their website. So this is their website. It is the exchange, okay? So you can come over here, you can go to the exchange, you can contribute to charity, you can go for incubating and top blockchain projects. Trust Wallet, I use Trust Wallet all the time. It's an incredible wallet to use. I've never used this verified user credentials for the Web3. There's a Binance Academy. I've used that. I haven't used the cloud. I've used the Launchpad. It's amazing. I have bought a couple of friends some gift cards with crypto. I have tried the Learn and Earn. It's not always as functional as it says, but you can learn a lot about crypto. And then, of course, the decentralized exchange, and then research, and then Binance Live, which is broadcasting. So they literally are coming to you with information all the time. You can deposit dollars, sterling, rands, anything pretty much from most of the countries that Binance is accepted in. You can do a bank deposit, a credit card, a debit card deposit, and you can deposit a cash deposit as well. So the markets here for news, you can come and trade. You can do a simple conversion, which doesn't really charge you anything. You can trade spot, margin. You can develop a trading strategy like a pro. You can do peer-to-peer trading, which is arbitrage trading. Swap farming, there's a fan token, and there's over-the-counter liquidity for big buys. You can also trade derivatives, options, leverage, leaderboard. You can trade and earn money. There's VIP portals. There's Binance Earn, which I use. There's a Binance Vault. There's liquidity farming. There's pools. There's a range bound, which is essentially trading robots. There's Launchpad, DeFi staking, dual investment, auto investment, and the ETH2, which I invested in quite a substantial amount of time ago. And I actually have built up 0.01 ETH, 0.15 ETH, 0.014 ETH. That is converted into 0.03 ETH already. So it's doubled in its investment, because I staked it there and I'm earning passive rewards while we are waiting for the 2.0 to wake up. So there's finance. You got a Binance card, just like you got a Visa card. You can loan crypto. You can use Binance to pay, and you can do gift cards. There's NFTs. There's institutional buying over here, where you can add APIs to your website. You can do VIP loans, portals. There's crazy stuff here, guys. I mean, this is mad, okay? Binance is huge. Do you think that Binance is going to allow itself to be manipulated by the political propaganda that is created constantly against crypto? No. Well, 5 years, you're up 800%. You literally converted $100 into $800,000, guys. Let's go and see the chart. So currently on the weekly time frame, we are in this triangle. We have made higher lows, essentially since we hit the bottom here on 6th of June 2022. We have also somewhat made higher highs. Besides for this little wick candle here, we have made higher highs non-stop, essentially along this channel here. So if you look at that, we have made higher highs. We're looking as though we want to break out of this descending triangle, ascending triangle. Okay, and let's go and have a look at it on the daily time frame, because on the daily time frame, we've had a sell signal, but that's probably because of all the FUD. You can see that there's a bull pennant, okay, right here. Okay, you can see the low hasn't broken this low. It's essentially found support at this current level right now, which, as you can see on the Fibonacci, is pretty much at that level, okay, at the 0.318 level, okay? So if we do break out, that will take us above, okay, because that's, you normally take it, the measurement from there. So that's what I did. Take it out and put it there. We'll break out of the descending triangle, and we'll break out of this upward channel here, which would essentially bring us to that wick price over there, which will be about $400, okay, which is about a 25% move up on Binance. Now, guys, let's go and have a look on the weekly time frame, because obviously Binance is a good coin to invest in for the long term. Where do you think we're going to get? We're going to probably break through this level here very soon. So, sorry, this level has found support on the Fibonacci 0.236, which is the $300 level. I do see us breaking up here and coming up to about the 618 level, which is about $496 to $500. Okay. And then we'll probably retrace before we try and break the all-time high at $690. The 4.2x multiplier on this, it takes us up to $2,341, guys. What does that actually look like from today's price? So 2,341 divided by 318, and I'll even give you the cents, gives us a 7x up to that point. But this is a safe crypto to invest in. It's a good cryptocurrency to invest in. No financial advice, of course, please note. But of course, you can see 700% over 5 years. I'm not doing the talking. I'm just showing you the facts. You should be looking at these facts and doing your own research too, and making sure you know which cryptos you can get in. So you can put $100 in here, you're going to make $735 when it hits that price. Now, what does that look like in terms? So 7.23 times the current market cap of 50. Let's go 50.20, 200. There you go, 50 billion, 200 million. Okay. And what would that give us? That would give us a simple $363 billion market cap to get to that level. Do I foresee Binance hitting $1 trillion? Hell yes. Okay, I'm going to tell you why. Look at this. Its market cap dominance is 4% right now. If I've told you guys previously that the market cap dominance, okay, one day will look like a 200 trillion market cap, okay, times 4% will give you $8 trillion. Now, I'm going to show you something. I'm going to take you to that all-time. In fact, I'm going to do it with today's current. So divided by 50 billion, 200. Okay, let's get us that 50 billion, 200. Okay, will give us 150, nearly 160x on Binance. Okay, when it reaches an $8 trillion market, it could likely reach that at some point in the future, guys, especially with the way that the dollar is being printed and devalued. Okay, and this is in dollar terms. It's not against Bitcoin. If you go and look at these charts against Bitcoin, my goodness, you take these profits and you put them back into Bitcoin. And then when Bitcoin reaches its top of its dominance and it's done, and it's exhausted, you take the profits and you invest them back into altcoins, okay? Into Ethereum and then other altcoins. And then there's different stages and phases. So I'll talk to you about that in another video soon. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please smash up the thumbs up for me. I really appreciate it. It takes me quite a long time to do the video, edit the video, and share the video with you guys, of course. So 159x would, let's see what that price would look like essentially from today's price. That would give us a nearly a $51,000 BNB price in the future. Guys, could that happen? I'm pretty confident it can happen in the future. Maybe 8 trillion sounds unrealistic today, but at the end of the day, we are going to see a massive bullish run here in this Binance. Forget the FUD. Okay, we love you. Thanks very much for watching. See you on the next one. Blessed souls.